everybody, I hope you're all staying safe and well and enjoying your time at home. If you are a little bit bored and you're looking for something to do, then I present to you my Rainbow Corner bookmark. This looks so cute when it's done. It's so easy to do and oh, look at it, it's so colourful and lovely. It's very, very easy and it looks fabulous once it's finished. Also, if you don't know what to read at the moment, if you've not got any books on the go or if you just want something new, then stick around until the end of this video because I have a very special announcement about a very special book which you will definitely want to get your hands on. As for now, without further ado, I'm going to get on to actually making the bookmark. So, what you need. The first thing you're going to need is 7 different circular items in descending size. So I'm using some sellotape and some different sized moisturiser lids and some pen lids. And then you're also going to need some glue and some scissors. And then 7 different pens, all in the colour of the rainbow. I'm using some gel pens. To get started, obviously we're going to need some A4 paper as usual. And we're going to cut this in half with some scissors, and then we're going to put one sheet to one side whilst we work on the other one, creating our rainbow. So this is my solution, my little method for creating even-sized colours on the rainbow. I found it very difficult to try and work out how to do this with just a half circle, but then I figured out that if I do a full circle, I can just cut it in half. So what I did is I'm taking each different sized circular things. I'm starting with my sellotape and working my way down, and as I work down I'm drawing around each one with the different colours of the rainbow. So I'm starting with my pink on the outside, working all the way down to the red in the middle. This was the best way I could find to make it nice and even. So then once all of those are drawn, I'm going to just colour them in with each coloured pen, and then I'm going to put it to the side to dry. So whilst that's to the side drying, I'm going to take the other sheet of paper and I'm going to make my actual bookmark. Now, for any of you professionals out there who've watched my videos, you know what to do here. But if this is your first time watching one of my videos, this is how to make a corner bookmark. So, you take the bottom left-hand corner and you fold it up to the top, and then you press down the crease and then you cut off the excess. And then I'm going to take the bottom corners and fold them up to the top point and flatten them down. And then what I'm going to do is unfold them and then take the top sheet and fold the top corner, the top point down to the bottom edge. Then I'm going to take the bottom points and fold them back up and tuck them in. And then for this bookmark, I'm going to unfold them again, and I'm going to take my glue stick. I don't always do this, but I have done this before. I'm going to take my glue stick and I'm going to glue these down just to make sure it's nice and strong, because I am going to be cutting off bits of it later and I want it to stay as strong as I can make it. So I am using glue. So just put a good layer of glue on top and then fold the corners back up and over and just press them down. And then what I'm going to do is take the other sheet, the little bit that's left at the top, and tuck that down into the bookmark. It'll just make it a bit tidier and a bit stronger when it's finished. And there we go, that's our basic bookmark. Once that's done, I'm going to take my little brightly coloured target over here and I'm just going to draw a line down the centre so that I know where to cut it. And then I'm going to cut it out and then cut it in half. once that's done, I'm just going to put one of those to the side, and I'm going to take my bookmark, and then I'm going to cover the bookmark in glue and then stick the rainbow down onto it. Then I'm going to take my scissors and I'm just going to cut off the little white points that are still showing out from behind the rainbow. There we are, and now your rainbow is looking very nice. But I'm not finished yet. I'm going to take that little excess piece of paper that I cut off earlier, and I'm just going to fold up one end, just about ½ inch or so. And then I'm going to take my scissors and cut out some little clouds. By folding it in half, you get 2 little clouds straight away, and they will be the same. So I'm just going to cut that in half. Then I'm going to take my glue stick again, and I'm just going to glue them both down to the edges at the ends of the rainbow. And then I'm going to take my little black fine liner pen and just draw 2 little smiley faces on the clouds. And then final touches, I'm going to take a pink pen and just give them little cheeks. Little happy clouds. And then you are finished! And you can also make a second one because you have a second rainbow on the side. So there you are, that's how you make your Rainbow Corner bookmark. Now it's time for the special announcement. My sister, Gracie Carter, is now a published author. She's written her first book. It's called The Lost Dragon. It's the first in a series of 3 she's writing. It's amazing. I'm currently reading it at the moment. It's available on Amazon and Kindle. I will put links for it in the description below. You want to get your hands on this book, people. I'm currently reading it at the moment and it's amazing. I'm very, very proud sister. But please go and check it out if you haven't already. You may have already come across it, I don't know. Let me know what you think of it down in the description below. Let me know in the comments below as well. For the meantime, thank you for watching this video. I hope you've enjoyed it. Please stay home and please stay safe, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!